This question is from a sister saying, I read all this ahadith about the virtue of praying in congregation. And for me as sisters, hard to go to the masjid, I pray at home. And do I get the same reward as if I go to the masjid or pray at the masjid? Do I still get the same reward like men? So the men get reward multiplied 20 plus times. Would the woman also get her salah or her reward multiplied if prayed at home? The Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said that if a woman pray at home, like Hadith Abdullah ibn Mas'ud radiyallahu anhu arda, that Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said in Hadith Sunan Abi Dawud and Tirmidhi and others, that the woman, when she prays at home, her reward is more than praying at the masjid. So if she pray in congregation jama'ah and she take that multiple rewards, multiplied rewards by going to the masjid and praying congregation, if she pray at home by herself, her reward is way more. And Hamid, the wife of Hamid al-Sa'idi radiallahu anha, she came into the Prophet ﷺ and she said, Ya Rasulullah, I love to pray with you. And listen, she's saying that to the Prophet in Masjid Rasulullah, where the salah is 1,000 times double. And she said that. Then the Nabi ﷺ said, I know that you love to pray with me, but I want you to know that praying at home is better for you, more rewarding for you. خير لك من صلاتك في مسجد صلاتك في حجرتك خير من صلاتك في دارك وفي دارك خير لك من مسجدك. So the hadith goes and telling her that praying at home, the bottom line is better than praying at the masjid. So these ahadith and this report about Imam Ahmad rahimahullah and all these ahadith are authentic. These ahadith shows that there is more reward for a woman to pray at home. And also I want to say one more thing, that if this ahadith does not mean that women should not come to the masjid or pray to the masjid or stop from coming to the masjid, because the Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam do not stop women from coming to the masjid, so they're allowed to come and to pray and to witness the jama'ah. Another point also, many people ask about, if she pray at home, would she get the same reward that is required or these rewards which is conditional to pray in congregation? So for example, Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam, whoever pray in the masjid and stay fi musalla until the sunrise, take the reward of ajr, umrah and hajj. In Sunan al-Tirmidhi, it's been reported that the Prophet said that. روي ذلك عن النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم. What if she prayed at home? Shaykh ibn Baz rahimahullah said, he said, من جلس في مصلى, he stayed where he prayed or in the musalla, in the masjid. And he said, for women, their masjids, it's in their homes. So that's why they take the same reward, and the hadith apply to them as well. And then Imam Malik rahimahullah have something similar to that. Mullah Ali Qari also mentioned something related to this, that all the hadith that says you pray in the masjid and you stay until this and that ajr comes for you, if you stay in the masjid and wait for the next salah, that applied to women when they pray at their home in the place where they pray, their musalla at home. Take the same rules when it comes to the reward, but not the same rules of the masjid when it comes to i'tikaf or the rules and regulation for masjid, no business transaction take place. That doesn't apply to the musalla at home, but the reward, she will be inshallah rewarded for that. Same we say for someone who can't come to the masjid for a valid reason like sickness or something of that nature. وصلى الله وسلم على نبينا محمد.
Subscribe to this channel, share this video, and click on the bell icon so that you can be notified with every new video at Faith IQ. Jazakumullahu khairan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.